Here we have a Volkswagen Golf. It's a Mark 7 facelift, 1.5 litre TSI GT Evo, 150 PS. Now the Red Rocket is a beauty and it has a top spec including adaptive cruise control with front assist, a hydraulic brake assist, distance monitoring, a city emergency brake, a forward collision warning, an automatic post-collision brake and the 17-inch Madrid alloy wheels. Looking at the boot, it's a good size and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay, Volkswagen media control and an ambient lighting pack. So for more information feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.